we're looking at number one. Number one says Casey sights the top of an 84 foot tall lighthouse at an angle of elevation of 54 degrees. If Casey is 6 feet tall, how far is he standing from the base of the lighthouse? So the way you would look at this is, first let's draw Casey. Okay, that's Casey. He is 6 feet tall. And it says at the beginning he sits at the top of an 80-foot tall lighthouse. 84-foot tall lighthouse. So he sees this 84-foot lighthouse at an angle of elevation of 58 degrees. Let's just connect them since I did that. So we have 58 degrees right here. How far is he standing from the base of the lighthouse? So we know this is 84 degrees, and we know he's looking at about 58 degrees. So before we even start, we need to find the difference between his height, so his height, and the lighthouse's height. Okay, so we want to find, the goal is to find this. We won't be able to use the Pythagorean theorem if we're using this angle of elevation because it's going to give us a weird shape. So first we have to subtract that 84 by 6. So we need to find the difference between his height and the lighthouse's height. Very bad, poorly written, handwriting wise. So 84 minus 6. This right here is 6 feet. Therefore, this is going to be 78 feet. So for this right here is 78 feet. Because we subtracted 84 by his height of 6. So now we're looking for the pink. We can call it X. So the way we could do that is we can do, we need to figure out what function we're going to use. We don't have a hypotenuse, so we're going to be using tangent. So we have the tan of 58 degrees is equal to the opposite side, 78 feet, over the adjacent, which would be X. So the way we need to do this is we need to isolate X. Isolate X. So what we're going to do here is we have X times the tangent of 58 degrees is equal to 78 feet. These were canceled. In order for us to get this isolated, we need to divide both sides by the tan of 58. Divide this by the tangent of 58. You get X is equal to 78 feet divided by the tan of 58 degrees. And lastly, our calculator will do the rest of the work for us. So all you have to do is 78 divided by 58 tan equals, and we get the distance between him and it. The lighthouse is gonna be 48.7 feet because we're round to the nearest tenth. So again, it's a little sloppy, but that's how it's done. There you go. That's number one.